We have a lot of compromised children at the house throughout the year. So we chose at the Ronald McDonald House, Detroit, the cleaning and disinfecting of our air filtration system for our families and children that are here. A lot of safety measures last year through the pandemic, plexiglass around our registration desks here and at the family room at the hospital. And so the next step in my mind was to put a clean air system in the Ronald McDonald House, because that's really important for those kids and those families to be able to breathe clean, fresh air every time they're in their rooms and in the common areas. I actually was thrilled to hear there was an application. I put it on my phone right away. I look at it at least once a day to see where the air quality is. Everybody is not suffering as much with allergies. I mean, I have at least 2 staff members that have had severe allergies. They've been here this entire year and they do seem to be much better. That includes myself, by the way. I usually have a lot of headaches and migraines, and the system seems to really have improved my overall health as well. You know, I'll tell you what, if you don't have clean air or fresh air coming through your facility, especially with a facility like ours where we have compromised children and their families taking care of those children, I think it's imperative, especially now in this new day and age where, you know, pandemics could happen at any time, that you have clean air and disinfected air for those people that need it the most, and for every regular, everyday people. I mean, we are in a situation, I think, in this world where this is going to be probably one of the most important things a building can do.